Brake lights that stay on even after the engine is turned off can drain your battery overnight and leave you stranded the next morning. Many drivers assume it's an electrical fault or a bad battery, but the real cause is often a simple component that is inexpensive to replace. However, if ignored, the constant power draw can shorten battery life and hide more serious electrical problems. Here are the most common reasons why this happens and what you should check before replacing expensive parts. One of the most common causes is a faulty brake light switch located near the brake pedal. This switch is designed to turn the brake lights on when you press the pedal and off when you release it. If the switch sticks internally, becomes misadjusted, or fails electrically, the brake lights remain on continuously, even though your foot is off the pedal. In many vehicles, this is the number one cause of brake lights staying on. Another hidden culprit is a broken brake pedal stopper or bumper. Many vehicles use a small rubber or plastic stopper on the brake pedal arm that presses against the brake light switch. As the vehicle ages, this stopper can crack, fall apart, or disappear completely. Without it, the brake pedal never fully presses the switch, so the switch thinks the brake pedal is always being pressed. This tiny part costs very little, but is responsible for countless unnecessary workshop visits. A sticking brake pedal can also cause the lights to remain on. Dirt, rust, worn pedal bushings, or a weak return spring may prevent the pedal from returning completely to its resting position. Even a slight gap between the pedal and the brake light switch is enough to keep the brake lights illuminated. Checking whether the brake pedal returns fully after release is an important part of the diagnosis.
Electrical problems are another possible cause. A short circuit, damaged wiring harness, corroded connector, or faulty relay can supply continuous power to the brake light circuit. These faults are less common than a bad brake light switch, but can be more difficult to diagnose. If the brake light switch operates correctly, but the lights still stay on, the wiring and electrical system should be inspected carefully. Modern vehicles equipped with electronic brake systems or body control modules, BCM, may also experience brake light issues due to software faults or module failures. Although this is relatively uncommon, a malfunctioning BCM can keep the brake lights energized even after the ignition is switched off. Diagnostic scanning is usually required to identify these types of electronic problems.
If your brake lights stay on with the engine off, don't ignore the problem. The lights can completely discharge the battery if left on for several hours, leaving the vehicle unable to start. Begin by checking whether the brake pedal is fully returning. Inspect the brake pedal stopper and test the brake light switch. If these components are functioning correctly, the next step is to inspect the wiring, relay, and body control module. Fixing the problem early can prevent unnecessary battery replacement, improve road safety, and save you from a much more expensive electrical repair later.